Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Nice, and today I am back with something brand new. And today I am here to be unboxing this guy right here. It's a new GoPro Volta. It's a battery tripod with a remote, so you get like 3-in-1. It's automatic, it's like battery powered, so you can set your GoPro on top of it. Also, you can actually sit your DJI Action Cam 2 on top of it too, because it basically fits the same mods as the GoPro. Okay, so first what we're gonna do, we're gonna just like pull the top off like this. Just pull it up. It's a little tough, so we're gonna actually have to like be a little bit rough with it, tearing the top off, as you can tell right here. So we're gonna just tear that right there, tear this right here, and then we're gonna just pull out this white box. So I'm gonna just lay it down like this, and basically it should have a white box that's inside. So we're gonna just get rid of this. There's nothing else inside here, as you can tell, so we're gonna just drop that on the floor. Automatically, once you take out the white box out of the other box, basically you are met with two booklets. It's a Volta battery tripod remote 3-in-1 booklet that tells you how to work it. What we're gonna actually do is just put this stuff to the side, because we're not going to read this. If you guys again want to read this on your own time, feel free to read the booklet to see how to work your grip pod if you're new to, GoPro accessories. But what we want to do is put this to the side. We're gonna sit that right there. On the front right here, we have some accessories. So you have a door for your actual GoPro, so you can actually swap out the door to your GoPro if you want to, sit this on top to use this this grip pod, this Volta grip pod. So you can actually plug it in right here. So we're gonna just sit this right here. This is actually the door. This is actually the key to locking your GoPro, so that your GoPro doesn't go anywhere while you're filming. So you just take it, put it through the hole, and just screw it in. And then we got the grip pod itself that we're gonna try to actually get out without breaking. So we're gonna just pull this up, and we have the actual. This doesn't want to come. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we have the actual Volta grip pod. Basically, it's all electronic. You sit it like this, and your GoPro is supposed to sit on top of this, and the key is supposed to lock your GoPro in place like this. When you put it through the hole, you just screw it in. Make sure it's tight enough so that your GoPro doesn't go anywhere while you're filming. This is a USB-C, so this is where the door comes in place when you swap it out, because you also have to hook up your GoPro to this Volta grip pod so that it reads it, so that you can be able to use the remote control that's on the front of the Volta grip pod. So basically you can control your GoPro once it's hooked up correctly by, if you want to record, you could press that big red circle button, and it'll actually press and make your GoPro record without you even having to press the record button on top of your GoPro. This right here is a battery indicator, and it tells you how much battery life, if you press it, that this grip pod actually has. So if you press it again, I'm gonna push it a little bit closer to you guys. If you press it, you're gonna see something come up on top, and it shows you how much battery that this grip pod slash tripod slash 3-in-1 remote control tripod actually comes with. So basically it shows you how much battery power it actually has. So then if you look on the other side, which is the right side, it's Bluetooth. So once your GoPro is actually set up to this remote control right here that's built into the middle will actually connect your GoPro so that you can use these functions without even touching your GoPro. You can use this to switch the modes on your GoPro. So basically you could switch from picture to video to other, you know, modes that's on your GoPros. Okay, so if you look at the side, you have something right here on the side. If you guys can actually see it, basically you push this button at the top and something just pops down. So if you have the GoPro Lite, you can actually put that on the side and along with a mount, and then, you know, just stick the same key in, or if you have an additional key, you know, you'll stick that in and just screw in to lock it in place so that it doesn't even go anywhere. But also if you have a book bag that has a mount that actually fits this, then basically you can do that too. Let's say you have a DJI Action Cam 2 and you want to record double video, you can actually do that because it's basically the same mods that the GoPro has. So all you have to do is just do the same thing that you do with the GoPro. It's basically, you know, stick it on top and then basically just, you know, lock it in place and you're on the road. And then if you don't want to use that, just press the button and push down, and then it will actually stay down. All right, so we're gonna just sit this to the side and we're gonna see what else is inside the box. So we got the box and it seems like it's a cord. It seems like it's just a charging cord that they have on the side. They actually really put it in there, so we just had to rip the box. We just throw that on the floor. So again, it's a USB to USB-C cord. So if you have a USB-C cord hanging around your house, like the PlayStation 5, because they use USB-C cords, you can use that to charge this one, or you can use any USB to USB-C or USB-C to USB-C cord to charge this device. So the way that you charge this device is a little flap at the front, and you just pull that up and then you'll see the port right there. So you'll just put this port, the USB-C port, into this port, and then once you got that connected, you have a USB power brick that plugs into the outlet. You plug that in and then it should charge this device. All said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and also subscribe, and tune in for more from me, myself. Nice.